Wait, did you know there's a $140 million super yacht with a hidden indoor butterfly garden? That's right. Among marble floors and gold fixtures, this billionaire's yacht hides a tropical sanctuary, home to hundreds of rare butterflies flown in from around the world. The garden is climate-controlled, with lush greenery and a gentle mist that keeps the air perfect for these exotic creatures. Imagine sipping champagne while butterflies dance around you all at sea. Is this the wildest luxury flex ever, or just too much? Would you want this on your yacht?